Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Keap email and tagging workflow, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Keap email, start by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the admin menu in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select settings from the drop-down. In the settings menu, locate and click on email. Next, look for the email verification section. Click on verify email if you haven't done so already. Enter your email address in the provided field. After submitting, check your inbox for a verification email from Keap. Click the verification link in that email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to your Keap dashboard. Now let's move on to setting up a tagging workflow. Navigate to the Automation tab on the left sidebar. Select Workflows from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Workflow button. You will be prompted to select a template or start from scratch. Choose your preferred option based on your needs. For a tagging workflow, you'll want to use the Tag a Contact option. Drag and drop the tag action into your workflow. Now, set the trigger for when this tagging occurs. This could be a form submission or another action, depending on your requirements. Once the trigger is set, connect it to the tagging action you just placed. Specify the tag you want to apply to contacts. Save your workflow regularly to avoid losing progress. Finally, test the workflow to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test results. Once satisfied, activate the workflow to start tagging contacts automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.